Whenever I know I have a busy week coming up and I know I won't have no time at all to style my pixie the way that I want to, these are the styles I normally go for. They're quite simple and they still make you look put together and polished. You can maintain this the entire week with just using two products. You can use your foaming mousse of your choice and a bit of oil whenever your hair gets a little bit dull and wants a little bit of pick me up. But in this video, I'm going to use three products only because I want to share with you and show you how beautiful this moisturizer lay my edges. Beautiful, the moisturizer lay my edges. And I haven't touched it yet. I just took the scarf off. That is just beautiful. And this is style number one. You still look polished and put together. And if you don't know by now, this is one of my favorite go-to, no heat, simple style to go. It doesn't require a lot, but it looks polished and you look put together.
And this is style number 2. Simple, classy, you look well polished, and this look can take you from day to night.
This is look number 3. And that's it. That is my low pixie cut maintenance during the week when I have absolutely no time. Using 2 product, maximum 3 to style my hair. Yeah, I hope you find this video useful. Please continue to help my channel to grow by liking, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you so much for your support, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, take care of yourselves, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.